Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. TTM 1, Orlando Pirates 4. Easy game for the Pirates. We all knew what the Pirates is a win. But the TTM, they're not a bad team. It's just but the difference between the two teams. The huge gap. Remember Badalagu ABC Mutsipe League. Pirates bound number 1 on the log. So the gap vele izobonakala. So on today's agenda, I'm going to show you why Pirates signed a left center back. He's in America, so they bought a left center back. And then number 2, Uhoto. Why I would play Uhoto most of the time. Most of my game, Mina Benzumzalisa is a coach. And I saw something that I'm not sure what maybe Pirates beyenza before, but right? The first minute of the game, right? They play a 4-2-3-1. Uhoto, the importance of Uhoto, right? A lot of people might not like Uhoto. Yes, he doesn't have a good strike rate or a good finish, but he creates a lot of goal scoring opportunities. Now, the left center back is very important if you want to play short passes or long passes. This is why this guy, Bamleti, for these passes, just that Siazu Uhoto is not delicious. Another example, he needs to work on his passing, right? For me, you don't make this pass to Umuremi here. You don't make that pass because it's easy for the keeper. It was not a bad pass. It's just that it was not a great pass. Had he passed the ball straight on the right back, but emoyeni, just for Uhoto, not for Umuremi, then it would have been a great pass. Nakia, this is a good example of this is the perfect example of a left center back being able to switch the ball from here to the right back. The ball will come back again to the left center back. Watch what he does. He plays Uhoto. Like I said, if you're gonna play this ball, it has to be on top of the head of this guy, of the right back. You don't pass it here. You don't pass it in between. You pass it straight la, go right back. Because if you pass it here, you won't reach. Uhoto won't reach it. You see, Uhoto won't reach it. Orlando Pirates scored their first goal via penalty. Was it a penalty? Yes. But I'm going to show you where TTM ilahle khona. The left center back uyenzani switches the ball. He's a very good passer off the ball. I've noticed that. Now, ngiyaimisa la. It is 3 against 4. It's 3 against 4. Now, if we are playing Rondo, there's a reason why most of the teams, let me say all teams now, they practice Bayenza Rondo, right? Is for the players that are inside Rondo, that are marking. You have to be able to mark Ibola, Bangalshai in between you guys, right? Let them pass in front of you, but the ball must not go across. I don't know if you understand. But here, imagine it's 3 against 4. But Pirates izokhona ukuphuma. Penalty. Yes, it's a penalty, but I'll show you Guti what happened here. You cannot, even Gurondo, you cannot Guti no two neo presser at the same time. You are forgetting about this man. No, you can't do that. Because he had a chance to Guti Aizale first time. It's just that it was a firm pass. Penalty. But I'm as if you understand that, guys. When you play Irondo, right, you must not play the ball. Yes, you press, but the ball must not be played in between you guys, right? That's why Inteba Coastal. So they need to practice Irondo. Cool. Early in the video, I spoke about the new thing that the Pirates did, right? That I haven't seen before. Now, yes. Maybe you guys have seen it, but I haven't. Hey, I want tell you, man. Hey. This is what Pirates did in this game. Something that they haven't done before. Yes, this was offside. You get the ball wide, and then you play a striker making a run, right? Yes, you might say, but this is easy or Indo Bebayans. Mina, I haven't seen it. In this game, they did it more than once. Let me show you. Nakia, this will lead to a goal, the Orlando Pirates, the second goal. Ball in the middle, it comes wide, then they play the ball behind the defenders. That was a bad clearance. There is another one. Right back makes a run. Umbutuma lapaya. Umbutuma, his run was bad. Like you won't score. You angeke ukore mphanakithi. Yeah. It's difficult for you to score the ball there. It's difficult. Why ungenzila or in front of this guy? I think if he had ran in front of him, maybe. Uguyemuva le. One last clip. Right back. Mbutuma makes a run. Great shot. I haven't seen the Pirates doing this. Maybe you have, Wayne. But if you think about if you watch the game or if you didn't watch the game, go and watch the second half. You'll see they didn't do it second half. They call it TTM a great free kick. But now, you know what they say? If the ball goes above the wall, and then Liangena, you can't blame the keeper. But with this one, I'm not too sure. But I blame the keeper. Okay, first, I always talk about avoiding a free kick in dangerous areas. Could this free kick have been avoided? I don't know. Was it necessary? Uguti amuise. I'm not sure because he was the player or Shaiteti job in this game for the Pirates. Umbat. And there was no cover. Now I want you to focus who goalkeeper, right? Look at the goalkeeper. So goalkeeper, he is directing ukuthi ufuna bani ebondweni. And then he says he wants 3 on the wall. You cannot, Bafethu. Never, 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 never. Never, 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 never. Never, never, never. Okay. Uti sharp. Ne? 3. Right. You never, never, never. Oh. When the wall is in the 18 area, you cannot have 3 defenders. What are these players doing here? Bamele in laba. Bamele in because mele uthatha abanye uyobafaka ebondweni. You take your tall players and put them in the wall. Now uzofaka uFan Rooyen ebondweni because these guys, you can see they are going to shoot. So you can even take your defenders and put them on the wall. Not this thing there. Marabo Buthelezi. How many years uku PSL? Bafethu mara lidlala ngathi. Balishaya khona la uFan Rooyen. Na uFan Rooyen akajump. Inside. He's hugging the pole. He's Valentine's Day. But it was a great free kick. Mara Buthelezi mara ndoda mfana kithi. Mara yang disappoint uButhelezi. Sugar. Second half, guys. Second half, same thing. I'm gonna show you why I like uHoto, uPirates. Mina me Sundowns supporter. I know who Sundowns know, but uPirates mina ngamdlalisa. If be batting coach Pirates, ngamdlalisa week in and week out. It was the same thing. We're gonna look at the goal, Pirates LS3, and then we're gonna look at uHoto. Once again, guys, ngiyabonga for the support. Please subscribe, Bafethu, and the messages on the Kuma comments, ngiyabonga, guys. The positive messages, ngiyabonga. Now let's look at the goal. I think the reason why the coach Pirates ingadlalisa uHoto is decisions like this. There's no need for you to pass the ball there. Pass the ball here. Let's keep the ball because we lose the ball. Now, the problem in football, guys, in football, nyayazi wrong turn, right? One wrong turn, feed. In football, a wrong decision can cost you a goal. This guy decides to pass. I don't know where he was passing this side, but there's a man here. There's a guy making a run. But this guy decides to do what? That decision is costly. Now let's watch this beautiful combination in Pirates. Nakia. In the next clips, I'm going to show you why I like uHoto. Yes, he might not score, but I'm definitely sure he will create a lot of chances for the strikers or armor midfielders. And then again, why it's very important to have a left center back, right? Which is I would play uMcCarthy as a center back. Now let's go. Center back. Watch uHoto. Yes. Good move there. Good save. This is what uHoto brings to Orlando Pirates, guys. This is what he brings to Orlando Pirates. Most left backs, they don't do this. And even Undaba, yes, he's still new, Uzo improve, but he doesn't do this run. Another clip of a good passing center back and Uhoto. Watch, pa, trap, pass. That's his problem. Akekho mnandi, he's not delicious with his passes. One last clip bafela to be saying ngiyayivala. But on this one here, the pass does not come from the center back. Hoto. Mbuthuma mfana ngithi. Like ufuna i-chance enjani? Why you ultrapper? But great run by Hoto laphaya. Again, Hoto will create a lot of chances. Watch the run. They're sleeping there. First time shot. Mfana guys, please subscribe, please like, please share. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.